Welcome back to my channel. My stomach hurts and I actually think it's because I drank alcohol yesterday, and I barely drank anything. I literally took like 2 shots. That made me sound like an alcoholic. I'm not an alcoholic. Anyways, to start the day off, I'm going to drink some water because I'm a healthy girl. I'm just not a morning person. I wake up with the most puffy face, and that's why like in the mornings I just hate filming because I feel like I look so crusty. Let's go brush our teeth and stuff. I've been obsessed with Laos sausages. If you guys have not tried them, they're so freaking good. I like the spicy ones. At all. I actually don't really like having my light in here on. When the light turns on, it makes this really loud like fan noise. I'm super sensitive to like certain noises. I'm a hot girl. I do hot shit. This is literally my favorite headband, and I'm actually surprised it's still pretty clean. I need to put on contacts because I'm literally like, I wish you guys could see what I could see. It's so weird. Chloe! I know this is so random, but do you guys know that one TikToker that acts like a girl? It's like, Tabinya! She's like, I have a small business.
Sabrina, where are you going?
I'm my own boss. I have packages to deliver.
What the fuck? Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't really been filming a lot of videos, like if I'm being honest. I'm literally just going through it, guys. I don't know, like I feel good. It's just sometimes I just feel really shitty. It low-key be fucking up with my work ethic. It's not like super bad or anything. I think it's just something that I have to learn to like overcome. But I'm okay. I'm good. I overthink a lot. When I go through phases where I think way too hard, I end up not posting any video at all. I just think all my ideas are shit, and I feel like I've kind of been in that rut for like, I wouldn't say the past year, but like it's been on and off for the past year. So sometimes I feel like I'll make a video that I feel really proud of, and then other times I make videos not at all because I just don't feel like very motivated. But I am coming to terms with the fact that I'm literally not perfect. Everybody has their days. Instead of allowing yourself to like stay in that rut, you know, I want to be better, do better. I don't know, I'm still figuring it out. Anyways, I am also a Pisces in my Mercury, which I feel like is pretty accurate. My imagination just wild. Like, you know, if I am in the most motivated mood, I swear to God, you will just see me go off. But if I get into like those mental health ruts, I kid you guys not, it's a rabbit hole. My mind, Pisces, you know, dreamers, I just go ham with it, and it's really bad, honestly. But I feel like if I just instill, is that a word? Healthy habits every day, it'll help my mental health, and over time my like dreamer side in my brain won't be so negative. It'll be more positive. I'm making it sound like I'm going through it real bad. No, I'm just dramatic. It's the Aries in me. Anyways, I just put on toner. I'm gonna show you guys my skincare. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all, I don't even remember what I was talking about. Oh, my skincare. Okay, this is how my skin is looking right now. So I'm having just like a few breakouts, and this is because I was picking my nose. Overall, my skin has been doing quite well for the past few months. There's like a lot of products I've been really obsessed with, but I'm just gonna show you guys the ones I'm currently using that I really like. Also, the pimples that I got here, these were stress pimples. They were like really red and inflamed, just absolutely terrible. But anyways, I'm taking so long. This is my favorite toner out of all the toners I've ever used before. It is the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. I think I just like this because there's vitamin C in it, and also it doesn't break me out. And also I have oily skin. And then I go in with the serum always. I always put on a serum no matter what. This is like extra moisture and extra vitamins. I'm a huge fan of anything hydrating in terms of serum. So this is the Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum by Drunk Elephant. But I've been obsessed with this one as a daily serum because it's just hydrating, and look at the top. you just spin it. So I do like a 1.5 pump, and I freaking love how freaking hygienic this is. Pat in my products like towards the end when it's starting to get dry and sticky, and I always leave it on for at least like 30 seconds by itself so it can actually soak into my skin. Okay, so I'm sitting on the floor because I feel like the lighting here is so much better, but as you guys can tell, I have really bad swollen tendencies when I wake up. Like literally I look 12 when I wake up, and at the end of the day I look 20, even though I'm 21. I have this moisturizer, and this is their proteiny, you know what, it's just their proteiny something cream. Okay, it's the green one. This one is such a good moisturizer. I love how the top is very like hygienic because you just squeeze it and it comes out beautiful. The formula of this is like thick slash watery, but definitely more on the thicker side. Like I feel like this is a really good moisturizer, and even though I have oily skin, I cannot do thin moisturizers. Like it has to feel like there's a lot of shit on my face. Like I have to feel like it's very thick, but I like to mix it with the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil, also from Drunk Elephant, and I like to mix these two because the oil mixed with the freaking moisturizer just gives the most beautiful glow, especially when I do this at night and I wake up. I feel like I wake up with really nice skin. I saw people on TikTok do this. Watching The Umbrella Academy, such a good show. Finally on season 2, and I started it yesterday. Also, this is what I'm eating. Lao sausages. Just put them in my air fryer. Literally a lifesaver. If you guys don't have an air fryer, let me put you on. I stayed up to almost 5 a.m. yesterday watching The Umbrella Academy. That's how good it is. Also, have you guys watched Stranger Things? I'm so excited for volume 2. Ew, that looks so wrong. I have this collaboration I'm doing, so I'm just gonna do my makeup. Okay guys, what would you guys call yourselves? An introvert or an extrovert? I would definitely say extrovert, definitely not an introvert. I was watching this video and it was talking about introverts and extroverts, talking about how introverts are people that get energy from being alone, like that's how they regain energy. Extroverts are the ones who get energy from other people. And when I saw that, I was like, damn, that is totally me, because like, it's not that I can't be by myself, but I just really love socializing. I just have so much fun when I'm around a lot of people, and I just thought that was interesting. So now I just wonder, you know, what do you guys think you guys are? Introverts or extroverts? Like I can stay home by myself, that is fine, but I can't do it for too long. I start going crazy. We're just gonna do my everyday makeup. I just got these hair clips from Insert Name Hair. They're so freaking cute. Okay, we're gonna do like 2 on each side. I look like a little girl. We're gonna do a quick little Q&A. I haven't done one in a fat minute, so also follow me on Instagram if you're not following me yet. All right, just turn on this light. So a lot of you guys have been wondering where Char's been on my channel. Guys, we're perfectly fine. We just don't hang out as much. Us living together last year was definitely a hard year for the both of us, like as our own individuals, because we both got like freaking hurdled with our own like life responsibilities, becoming adults and stuff. Don't mind us, because we're still literally recuperating and trying to get back on our feet after last year, just like basically adulting in our own ways. It's been stressful, but yeah, that's basically it. Overall guys, I feel like life is amazing. Sometimes I just get so like overwhelmed, and I feel like there's nothing that's forcing this upon me but my own like mind and stuff. Anyways, somebody needs to invite me to a party. It's like I stay home all week. When it comes to the weekend, that's when I'm just like, can somebody please hit me up? A bitch is so bored. I know I literally just told you guys in a few videos ago that I wasn't gonna do any more traveling, but the universe fucking said no. So I'm gonna go to Houston mid-August because I love Houston and I love going to visit. The life over there is just so fun. So why I'm traveling, right? Let me tell you guys a freaking life story. So what happened was, like, I knew I was gonna go see my boyfriend at least sometime. I didn't know when. You know, I just told myself no rush to book a flight or anything, you know, just let it happen. A few days after I got back from EDC, because you know, I told myself I'm not going to travel, the universe sent me a notification and said Southwest is having 40% off flights. So I was like, God damn, I cannot miss that. I booked a flight for August and then I booked a flight for October. I just used flight credits, but at least I used less flight credits since it was 40% off, which is really nice. I have a lot of flight credits because I have these Southwest Chase credit cards. You guys haven't seen my closet in such a long time. These are a whole bunch of Poshmark stuff I'm selling. These are the stuff I already took pictures for, but I have a whole bunch of stuff on Poshmark that I still need to take pictures for. I don't know if you guys care, but looks like this. And these are all the clothes that I need to take pictures for. These are like new clothes that I really want to wear, but I don't want to put it in these sections because I'm gonna forget about them. So I leave them here, so I tell myself, wear these when you go out. Yeah, my closet is literally just like such a mess. I'm literally a closet hoarder, but for my collaboration that I gotta do, it is with Poshmark, which is exciting because I actually use Poshmark. I'm gonna start filming for that. You guys can just watch, I guess. I'm gonna look cringe. I don't know if I want to do anything with my hair. I'm not wearing a bra, so my titties are so low. Hi everybody, my name is Chloe. And I'm very scrubby. This is her favorite room to chill in, the closet room. She just sits here, sits by the windowsill, and she just like, she can do that all day. Oh, your baby. I'm gonna look so cringe doing this. Hiya! I just finished filming like some TikTok stuff, but now I gotta take some pictures for Instagram. This is like second day hair, but I used leave-in conditioner, so my hair is like super oily, like it feels really thick. But we're gonna take some pictures. The lighting is not bad here, so. Photos are so dry. I hate it when this happens. I think I have just really dry eyeballs. I'm a model! Just kidding. So now I gotta edit the photos that I just took. My hair is so crazy right now, but damn, this outfit is so freaking cute. Yeah, from White Fox Boutique. Use my code Sandy. Save some money. If you guys are wondering what I do most days, it's probably just chill at home, eat food, and then do some makeup, film some content. I feel like I'm more of an Instagram girl than I am like, and YouTube of course. Besides that, like, I'm not really good at TikTok. I don't know, it's just one of those apps that I just feel like I'm not very good at. But you know what? I need to stop saying that, because if I tell myself I'm not good at something, I'm really gonna start believing it, and then I'm just not gonna be good at it. No, I am marvelous at TikTok. Alright, I need more practice though. Anyways, yeah. Okay, let's edit our photos.
우회전 taking a ride to journey 눈치 보면서 들어가야 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히